Bismillah. So today is February 10th, and this is my first opportunity to take a peek at the bees since really, when it was nice last year, like in November probably. And so I've been feeding them sugar water over the last few months. So I would just like take a quick peek in, but that's about it. It's kind of like we've been on pins and needles the last 2 weeks. The weather has been brutal. I mean, brutal. And I think that's been like kind of like all around the country. But so I don't know what I'm going to actually do when I open this up. I may just take a peek, and I know I'm not looking for the queen or anything like that yet. I want to wait for a series of good days before I crack it open like that and start moving frames around and all that stuff. I really just want to kind of see if they have enough food to eat. And probably next week, we have like a series of good days. I'll go in and um, start looking for bugs. Make sure we're straight there. So this is just going to be a quick peek. Doesn't look like we had too much of a problem with water so far getting inside, which is a good thing. Of course, there's plenty of dead bees around, just from the strength of it's been cold as hell. But I can still see frames of honey in here, so that's a good thing. Look like it's a good population, at least in the top part. Definitely still have food. I don't know how happy they're gonna be to see me, because they haven't been messed with in a long time. Look good here. Still gonna look for the queen on the frames that I take out, just on the strength that I took out the queen excluder. Whoops. I took out the queen excluder. So she could be anywhere. And I would assume that by the temperature being so cold that they would all pack in together. And I'm not sure if they would pack in the brood section or in the food section. Looks like a healthy amount of bees in there though. They now it's not a lot of honey in here or sugar water. It's probably at this point it's probably sugar water what's left. I'm not going to disturb any of the cells, trying to figure which is which. I just want to kind of get a visual on the amount of bees we have. And this is honey up in the corner right there. None on this side. So it's definitely getting low. So I'll probably put some, I guess I could put some sugar water in here now just to kind of hold them over. Because technically it's only like a few more weeks before all the pollen and everything is available. Like they could probably still find some stuff now. I think I saw something. Okay, got some food here. And they're already bringing in pollen. I see pollen on the bottom of some of their legs. So, and I'm hoping that this year we can get a decent amount of honey even before the springtime because the frames are already built. And I'm thinking that if we have a decent population coming out of this in the spring, well, February, I should be able to split these two hives in March and go from 2 hives to 4. I got a bunch of frames in the shed. Oh yeah, they got plenty of food. I have a bunch of frames in in the shed that I can use for starting new. They've already been filled out. So, yep, they got plenty of food. It's a lot of bees in there. A lot of bees. A lot of bees. That's a good thing. And once we get a nice series of good days, I'll go in and go into each frame and really take my time, see what's going on. Now, we're looking good. Get a little feisty. Get a little feisty. I'm done. Calm down. I'm tightening them up. I'm definitely gonna have to. I mean, if the amount of bees in the bottom brood box are anything near what's what I'm seeing in the top, I'll definitely be able to. Well, so this is the thing. We got a lot of stuff going on, so I have to determine on whether to just add a box on top or if I want to. That I want to add a box on top or separate them. We got a lot of plans for the spring, trying to expand our little homestead here. So I don't want to get caught up in doing too much with the bees before we start making our little moves. You know what I'm saying? So if I could just keep them happy and healthy, I would be content with that. Just to hold on for a minute and then see what happens a little later. So that's hive number one. And that hive was kind of iffy last year, like going back and forth with whether it's going to do the right thing or not. It got so bad. I think we thought they were going to swarm on us, and we went out and bought another box in an emergency thing. And then when I split them, they didn't do well at all. The first box did fine, but the new box that I split it into, I don't think I put enough resources or something in it. And matter of fact, let me turn this off real quick.